In terms of what you've been able to deliver for the first half, you've got to be pleased because it's operationally, it's been excellent across the board for all of your divisions.
Well, we are very happy with how the first half has gone. As you say, in the face of some pretty significant external challenges, we've turned in a solid operational half. That, combined with high prices for the commodities that we produce and sell, has allowed us to turn in a record set of earnings for the first half, record first half dividend as well. And of course, in parallel with all of that, we've advanced our strategic priorities around the portfolio as well. The unification of our corporate structure, the announced merger of our petroleum business with Woodside, the divestment of a number of our coal assets, and the decision to sanction stage one of a big potash project in Canada. So it was a big half for us, and certainly very happy to have turned in this great set of results.
And I want to get to some of those big strategic moves in a little bit. Just firstly, in terms of what you're expecting in the next half, obviously, much like all of your peers in terms of mining, you're seeing the significant inflationary pressures to the upside when it comes to labour and also the labour shortages. Are you confident that's going to start to ease now that we are seeing borders reopening and perhaps some mobility of labour moving forward into the back end of 22?
Well, I think we'll see some lag on the inflationary pressures we're seeing. So we have seen inflation across a number of inputs to the business, labour being one of them. I don't think we've seen all of that yet play out because in the way that these things work, we'll see kind of a staged or a lag effect to the cost pressures in some parts of the business. But really importantly, what you've seen from BHP is our ability to, in the way that we've set ourselves up, the strong focus that we have on performance and cost discipline, we've done a good job of containing those cost pressures, and certainly that's the focus going forward. So I expect that we will see some further inflation in the periods ahead, but because of the way that we've set ourselves up from a procurement perspective and all of the operational disciplines that we've put in place, we'll do a better job than most of keeping a lid on costs at the same time as we continue to see high prices for the commodities that we produce.